Hey y'all, have I got a recipe for you or what? This is something that you can bake and have breakfast for all week. I just don't remember if I sprayed my pan or not because look, I can turn it completely upside down and nothing happens. So I don't know if the sugar's in there crystallizes and causes it to stick or what, but if you want to learn how to make this without it sticking, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how. Okay, we're going to make this baked oatmeal. So you need 2 cups, 2 cups of oatmeal. Oh, let me make sure I'm doing this right. In a separate bowl, I need to whisk the milk. So you need 1 3/4 cup of milk. And honey, eggs, butter, and vanilla. I don't have any honey. I'm using sugar. I know it's not healthy, but it's okay. I'm eating it, not you. And some cinnamon, 2 eggs. And I said butter, didn't I? Well, this is when you're not prepared. Butter and vanilla. Vanilla. I'm just going to take a fork and whisk it. That way I can get that egg on. Let me just go ahead and add a little bit of salt there. A little bit more. Good luck. Probably should have put the cinnamon in there. Why does cinnamon never like really incorporate whenever you make it in a wet ingredients? Do you know? Leave me a comment below if you know why, because I don't. I can't even mash these yolks. Look at that. All right. And then that we're going to call that good for now. And then we're going to pour the wet mixture over the dry, add the frozen berries, and stir it all together. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Now, I'm going to add this. I should have probably put the sugar in there, but have we met? Do I ever follow a recipe? Oh, this is baked oatmeal, by the way, if I didn't say it. I still have an egg yolk that hasn't popped. All right. Oh, look at all that sugar down there in the bottom of there. See it? We got to get all that. All right, let's stir this together. Looks like it needs more oatmeal, doesn't it? I don't think my pan is going to be good enough. I think I need a, one, I think I need some more oatmeal. And 2, because I'm going to add some frozen berries. There we go. I added some pecans because I didn't have any almonds. But it's okay. Yeah, I like this consistency better. I'm going to add some more pecans. I want this to taste like a pecan blueberry waffle from the Waffle House. Y'all ever eat there, Waffle House? Maybe it's a Southern thing. And then I got me blueberries. I'm going to add right many because I love blueberries. Don't that look good? Yum, me and my tummy. All right, let's mix all this together. I want my blueberry to be blue. My blueberry oatmeal be blue. Gosh, that looks amazing. I think this will do. I think this pan right here will be good. Let me get some spray. I did spray my pan. My CRS is getting to me. All right, we're gonna douse it in. Let's get a little spatula and dump it right on in there. Ooh! This will be, oh, I didn't add the butter, but it'll be okay. Spread it out. Gosh, it smells amazing. Y'all, this is absolutely delicious. Just need a little cream cheese and some sugar over top of it, but then it wouldn't be healthy, but it's amazing. We're gonna bake this for 40 to 45 minutes on We're gonna bake this 40 to 45 minutes on 350 degrees. Doesn't it look delicious? Oh, I can't wait, I'm so excited. Heavens to Betsy. I wish y'all could smell it in here. Oh gosh, this is gonna be delicious. And the thing about it is I can eat it cold, warm, just cut it in the middle, put a slab of a piece of butter in the middle of it in the morning. Oh my land, I'm so excited to eat this. Oh, okay, I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit before I do taste test it because I sure do want to taste test it. Okay, so I'm excited to try this little, this baked oatmeal. Okay, I do have a question. Did I spray the sides of this or not? Because it looks like it's sticking to me. I don't know. I could have swore I sprayed it, but who knows with me. So I'm just going to stick a fork in here and take a bite out of it. It's just going to take a bite out of crumb, okay? Do y'all remember DARE? Like in school, did you ever, like the drug abuse resistant education, DARE? Well, my daddy, I wore that shirt and it was, and he said, do you know what that stands for? I said, yeah. He said, what does it stand for? I said, drug abuse resistant education. He's like, no, did April really eat? Oh gosh, let me know if you find that funny as well. Okay, so let's taste this. Oh my heavens to Betsy. You know what made this better? Some blueberry compote. Oh my gosh, make some simple syrup out of some blueberry. I am so excited to be eating this for breakfast. Did I not spray this pan though? Sorry, I just stuck my fork back in there. I know it's kind of nasty. Wasn't thinking. I'm the only one that's going to eat it anyway. But it's like stuck. Like really stuck. You can turn it upside down and it ain't gonna fall out. Look at there. Oh well, I'll just pry it out of there. I'll have to let it soak before I wash it. Anyway, I hope this video put some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart. Make this for breakfast. It's really, really good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.